Atom and molecule. Learning outcomes. Identify the basic parts of an atom, including protons, neutrons, and electrons. Identify and describe the basic parts of an atom based on atomic models. Understand the concept of a chemical bond and how it forms between atoms to create a molecule. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, and it can exist in 3 different states: solid, liquid, or gas. Solids have a definite shape, volume, high density, are incompressible, rigid, and have low diffusivity. Liquids have a definite volume, an indefinite shape, a high density, and are incompressible. Gases have widely spaced particles that move rapidly, have a low density, and are highly compressible. Atomic theory. Atomic theory is a scientific concept that explains the nature of matter and its behavior. Several theories try to explore the structure of atoms and their interactions with other atoms and molecules. Atomic theory has evolved over centuries with the contributions of many scientists. Atomism is a theory that was first proposed by the ancient Greek philosopher Democritus. According to atomism, all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms, which are in constant motion and are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Solid sphere model. John Dalton's solid sphere model of the atom proposed this model as an attempt to describe the structure of the atom. According to this model, atoms are tiny, indestructible spheres with no internal structure. Plum pudding model. J. Thomson proposed that the atom is composed of a positively charged sphere with negatively charged electrons distributed throughout it. The negatively charged electrons were embedded in a positively charged pudding of matter, which made up most of the atom's mass. Nuclear model. Ernest Rutherford proposed that most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in a tiny, positively charged nucleus at the center, with negatively charged electrons orbiting around it. This model became the basis for our understanding of atomic structure today. Atom and its structure. An atom is the basic unit of matter and the smallest particle of an element that retains its properties. Atoms are made up of 3 types of subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged particles located in the nucleus center of the atom. Neutrons are neutrally charged particles also located in the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit around the nucleus. Atom and its structure. The nucleus of an atom is actually about 100,000 times smaller than the overall size of the atom. Molecule and its structure. Molecules are groups of 2 or more atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. They are the basic building blocks of many things around us, like water, air, and even our bodies. Molecules are formed when atoms join together to share their electrons. When this happens, they become more stable and can create different types of substances with different properties. Example: 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom can join together to form a molecule of water, H2O, which is essential for life.